Okay, let's unbox Valentino Born in Roma Yellow Dream. First of all, Valentino packaging always feels luxury. The box is sleek, clean, and very high-end. Now look at this bottle. The signature studded design is everything. It has that edgy but elegant Valentino vibe, and I love this soft yellow tint. It literally looks like sunshine in a bottle. Now for the notes. Yellow Dream features lemon, rose, and white musk, so you can expect something fresh, slightly floral, and clean. Look at this bottle. The signature studded design is everything.
So overall, Valentino Born in Roma Yellow Dream is fresh, feminine, and beautifully done. It's not loud or overpowering, it's refined. And sometimes you don't need dramatic, you just need elegant. If you love clean florals with a soft citrus brightness, this is perfect for spring, daytime, brunch vibes. Very polished, very wearable. If you're into bold, super sweet fragrances, this might feel a little soft. But if you want effortless and classy, she's pretty. If this sounds like your vibe, I've linked it below so you can add her to your collection. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Yellow Dream, or do you prefer another from the Born in Roma line? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fragrance unboxings and honest reviews. I'll see you in the next one.